Woo! Yay! What's happening, Magnus? So, woo! We got a Tekken 7 opening cinematic. I live for these with Tekken. I really do. One of my favorites is the second one, Tekken 2. I really like that one. I really loved Tekken 2 when it came out. It's really very near and dear to my heart. 3 came out, that was good too, and then it kept going further. It's my time, the dark period of when I stopped playing video games. But now I'm back! Let's get it. Bloodbath.
ここから始まった。
Heihachi is a piece of shit, ain't he?
Akuma なき闘争と反逆。血の宿命だ。
私の愛する平八さんはやがて世界を戦乱に巻き込み多くの犠牲を生むでしょう。
貴様、何者じゃ。我は剣を極めし者だ。全ては動き出した。もう誰も止めることはできない。
He going after all of them? Is he going after all 3? Or all 3 of them fight? Oh shit, come on, baby. Sorry, I unplugged my laptop earlier because it was lightning out here and the lights kept going in and out. That could destroy your computer. Anything you got plugged in, so I unplugged it. And just the battery just started to run out.
貴様があの時母を殺した。 貴様をここで終わらせる。
Makes sense.
貴様の野望をこれで終わりじゃ。
Damn, Heihachi's still a badass.
戦いと最後にどちらが立っているか。それだけのこと。
Heihachi doesn't have the demon gene, does he?
決着をつけるとするか。
Or he passed it, but it never manifested. That looks good. I can't wait to play this. Y'all already know, I told y'all why I bought it. Alright, there's only one reason why I bought it. It's the only reason why I bought it. So, why I'm going to buy it. I said it like it already happened. Like I already bought it. I can't wait. Is he going to take out the whole clan? Or the whole bloodline? Is that what Akuma's going to do? does Akuma know? Is that her Hachi's wife? How does that was Akuma's old bitch? Was it his side bitch? Was he the side nigga? And she's married to Hachi's rich ass. Interesting. Post comments down below. Let me know what you all thought. If you enjoyed my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. If you did not, you can kiss my black derriere. 10 million subscribers. Woo!